If you're a seminarian, go back to your father's house, Oga.
I have a seminarian in my 8th grade, Otuobo. He is easy pickings for me. Me will be certified Ekunsu. Stop all this acculturation shit, trying to merge Christianity and ordinary, because every ordinary thing is enmeshed in spirituality. Stop it. Either pick up your cross, leave everything behind, and follow Jesus Christ, your Lord and Master, or go back home, go to your Obi, go and ask for an Aniobi, get a wife, and make your ancestors proud. It is EFULEFU behavior to leave Obigi, leave your responsibility. Kalo, Jebe, is that not what the prodigal son did? Go to a place where you are picking up pig scraps, or EFULEFU behavior. So, me, I know the let and rest. Stream processing my pain. Thanks for streaming, and let your guys know to stream. I can know word of mouth referral like this could help us grow. Thanks.
But don't do that if you love that man. People say you go on you to your no to. You got try cool and move forward. If you boy mag my inside in your hot truck.